Ask you to be mine.
Hi, my loves. Hola, mis amores. I am so excited for this collection. This is by Beauty Creations, and it's the first time that we review them on this channel. This is the Corpse Bride Beauty PR collection, and look how stunning this is. Oh my god. And look at the way that it opens up. Wow. Oh my gosh. The coffin, the attention to detail. We're gonna start off with eyes. Do you guys see the butterflies and the reflective? I mean, the attention to detail is absolutely stunning. I could just look at this for hours. Okay, I'm gonna open this up and, ooh, okay, I'm loving the colors. So when I was researching this company, I found out that it's Latina owned. So I am so excited because there's so few Latina owned cosmetic businesses. And I'm really excited to see how all of the products melt and how they all look on the skin. So we're gonna go in with the
If you want to be inspired for your next look, don't forget to like and subscribe.
corset, and I'm going to apply that with a fluffy brush, and let's put that on. Oh, that's really pretty. Now we're gonna go into Victor. Oh yes, and let's see how Victor, I can't believe that he didn't want to marry me. But you know what, at the end, he was going to marry me, so we'll give him a pass. This is so pretty. So what I really loved about this palette is I was looking at the colors online. I really wanted to use something that I could use every day. Sometimes with these collections, you only use them one time and that's it. And we are sustainable on this channel. We want to make sure that we get the best use out of these colors. And let's blend that in. Now we're gonna go in with Victoria right at the outer corners. No, we're gonna go in with Butterfly. And all of the products are cruelty free, which is really nice. Oh, that is really pretty, you guys. Okay, I'm really liking the pigments. I feel that I'm not even putting that much, and the product is showing up really nicely. Sometimes when you dip into these products, it just comes out really harsh. That's why I say always start off from the lightest to the darkest color, but this is just blending in so pretty. I'm going to use Baby's Breath. Wow. Oh my gosh, my loves. Do you guys see that? Okay, I've just put on just a little bit and look how pigmented that is. Oh wow. Oh wow. That Baby's Breath is so pretty. All right, you guys are gonna have to take this palette away from me because I'm just putting on so much. I'm just in love with this Baby's Breath. I mean, look at that, my loves. I love the fact that there are the multi-dimension colors. I see some lilac, I see some greens, the blue, the white, and I love the color that it brings out together. Look at that, my loves. Cold Feet, and perfect name. And I'm gonna apply this at the bottom. Oh wow, that is so pretty. What do you guys think? Now, we also got some lashes. This is the way that they look. These are the Faux Mink 3D wing lashes, and we're gonna try these on. I'm just gonna put it on top and see. Oh, that's actually nice. What do you guys think? Do you guys prefer the right or the left? Now I do recommend measuring your lash, putting it on top just like I did, and just seeing how it fits with your eye. I actually like the way that it looked, so I'm just gonna put it straight on, and I just put some glue on and pop that on. Oh, that is so pretty. It's so dramatic. Lashes always complete the look. I'm gonna just pop that on. What do you guys think, my loves? Do you guys like it? Now, it does also come with 2 different eyeliners, and I'm going to try the Black Widow. It's actually pretty nice. And I'm just gonna go over at the top. I always like to do it over the lash just to hide any glue or any of the line. And then I'll also go in right in between. That same dual-ended liquid liner, I'm gonna go in with scraps, and I'm gonna put a little bit underneath on my waterline.
Look what I found at the spirit store. It's Emily and Victor, and this set is almost 6 feet tall, plus they talk and sing. I absolutely love them.
If you want to make your eyes bigger, use white. If you want to make your eyes smaller and more slanted, use black. Now we're going to move on to the cream contour palette that has a vitamin E in it. And look at the photos, my loves. Look at the way that the holograms move on the palette. It's 3 different ones. You have Emily and Victor, and she's happy with him, then she's angry. That was my favorite when he's on the piano. And then you have the one where she's sad. I love a good palette that tells a story, and this definitely tells a story. So we're gonna go in, so there's 6 different colors, just to create a little bit of that dimension and the hollowness that we see in Emily's face. And then I'm gonna use the Chanel brush and I'm gonna blend that in. And I definitely feel that we could go actually a little bit darker. I'm gonna go from Heartbreak to Betrayal. And let's try this. Okay, this is a lot better. This I can already see, and I'm gonna blend that in. Arrival, and let's see how that looks. If I had to jump from 3 colors to get something on my skin tone, I'm olive skin. If you have darker skin tone, I feel like it's not going to show up. Honestly, I probably wouldn't get the contour palette. I feel like you could go in with a darker eyeshadow. That's a trick that I use, that if I'm trying to use contour, I just go in with a dark eyeshadow and I'll just put it in. So now from the Why So Blue multi-use palette, I'm gonna go in to that wedding cake and I'm gonna put it on my collarbone. This is a little trick that you can use too, just to bring that out, just like that. I'm gonna get baby's breath and I'll put a little bit on there too. Look how that shows up, my loves. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Now in this collection, we also get a lip oil, and this is the way that she looks. And I love this addition of the ring. Do you guys see this, my loves? That is adorable. And we're gonna try this out. So on my lips, I'm gonna take off what I have on my lips just so I can show you guys how the color looks. Try it. It is really pretty. I do like the fact that it does have a little bit of color, but there also is a glitter spray, and look at that. I love how beautiful she looks. She looks vintage with her little spray, and let's try that. We're gonna put her on. This is in the Bone Dust. I love the names for this collection, and let's spray her on. Wow, my loves. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see this? I'm gonna actually put some on my veil, because if we are going to a party and we're going for that look on the veil, will look absolutely stunning. You could also put some too on the wig. and it would look so beautiful. I'm just gonna spray it on just a little bit, but I think that I like it more on the veil because that way you can see it from different angles. And look at that, my loves. Look at how stunning that is. Stickers in this collection, put in your agenda or to put in your notebook. Setting mist. Let's spray ourselves. Let's see. Okay, you guys ready for this? Ooh, ooh, that smells, ooh. Let that dry. It's very floral. We also get clips, and these are so pretty. This is the final look, my loves. What do you guys think? I really enjoyed this collection. I'm really excited to see all of the new items that Beauty Creation will be coming out with. I recommend go check them out, especially anything that has glitter, because as we saw, the glitter was outstanding and absolutely beautiful. And if you want to see some more of my videos, go check out my Tim Burton Beetlejuice video. And if you love Henry Selick, go check out my Coraline video. I hope that you guys had an amazing time with me. I love you guys. Los amo. Mwah!